Several political parties are also expected to join the protest today and join the Bharat Bandh. They've expressed their solidarity with the protesting farmers. Opposition parties are really rallying behind the protesting farmers, as many as 24 of them extending support to the nationwide strike. This includes, and I'm naming some of them here, the Congress, the Shiv Sena, TRS, RJD, the DMK, the BJD, Samajwadi Party. You've got the BSP and the Jharkhand Mukti Morcha, among many others, expressing their solidarity with the protests. What about the TMC? Well, West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has come out in support of the farmers, but her party has clarified that they're not in support of a bandh in Bengal. The Modi government, meanwhile, has hit back at the opposition, alleging double standards on the part of these parties. Union Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad, holding a press conference yesterday, said that the farm reforms introduced by the Modi government were on the opposition's to-do list as well when they were in power.
और किसान आंदोलन कर रहा है तो सरकार की जिद किस बात की है? सरकार क्यों जिद पर लगी हुई है? अगर किसान के पक्ष में कानून नहीं है, किसान ये बात कह रहे हैं, तो सरकार को वो कानून वापस लाने चाहिए। सरकार को पूरे कानून वापस ले लेने चाहिए।
अखिलेश जी, एग्रीकल्चर स्टैंडिंग कमेटी की रिपोर्ट आई है, उसमें आपके आदरणीय पिताजी मुलायम सिंह यादव भी मेंबर हैं, और मैं ऐसा मानता हूं कि अभी वो समाजवादी पार्टी के नीतियों की आखिरी आवाज है, क्योंकि बड़े नेता हैं। उन्होंने भी बहुत साफ साफ कहा है उस रिपोर्ट में कि यह बहुत जरूरी है कि किसानों को मंडियों के चंगुल से मुक्त किया जाए। और समाजवादी पार्टी हो या शिवसेना हो, जब सदन में बहस चल रही थी, इन्होंने इसका समर्थन भी किया, सुधार करने की बात की, कुछ सावधानी खाली बात की, लेकिन इन प्रिंसिपल समर्थन किया था।
Let me take this across to Anisha Mathur for more details. Anisha, later today we're also expecting the Aam Aadmi Party in Delhi to be staging protests. AAP has made it very clear, as you told us yesterday as well, that they are fully supporting this bandh.
Well, yes, Akshata, the Aam Aadmi Party has very clearly said that they will be supporting this bandh. There are reports that Aam Aadmi Party volunteers will probably also go to various parts of Delhi and stage a symbolic protest. But again, as my colleague has also been saying, remember, this is going to be a symbolic protest. This is not going to be one of these protests where political volunteers go out and forcefully shut down shops or shut down the transport. So what they are saying very clearly, and they said, and we have Aam Aadmi Party leaders saying this on camera to us all of yesterday, that they are putting out a call, a request to the people of Delhi to participate, to not go out of their residences unless it is extremely urgent, to the market unions to close down their shops in solidarity with the farmers. So from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. we'll have to see how it plays out, because Delhi, remember, has the influence of all three major political parties, that is the Congress, the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party. While the BJP affiliated unions have very clearly said that they're not going to be participating in this bandh, the Congress and the Aam Aadmi affiliated unions have put out a call for this bandh. And at the New Delhi railway station here, so far it is completely business as usual, but there are representatives from various unions talking to their members, trying to figure out how they're going to play out. We spoke to the Congress auto union representatives who said that their members will be participating in the Chakka Jam. Any auto driver who's on the road at 11 a.m. will stop wherever it is that they are. On the other side is the Mazdoor Sangh members who said that they are not going to be participating in any such Chakka Jams or the Bharat Bandh. So with the farmers now saying that please keep this apolitical, with farmer leaders have very clearly said, do not bring out your political affiliations, come out in support of the farmers. We will have to wait and see at 11 a.m. what happens in Delhi, because the Aam Aadmi Party has very clearly said that they will come out in support of the farmers. The Congress and several other opposition parties across the country are going to be participating. And as you just also said, we've seen visuals playing out from a lot of other states as well, where people have already started on the roadblocks and the market closures.
All right, Anisha, thank you for getting us those details.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.